Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we create a horizontal constraint in Autocad. So for that, we just have to click on this parametric tab and then we have to select this horizontal constraint. Just after selecting, as you can see, we have lines which is inclined. So to make it horizontal, just select it and it will be applied. Similarly, you can do this with all the lines, all the objects, select it and then apply. So this way guys, you can apply or create a horizontal constraint in AutoCAD. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.